A great way to improve the optimization score of your Google Ads is by adding videos with different orientations. You will see it under your recommendations if you don't have that already. So if you do, then just click on recommendations here on the left hand side of the screen. Then you will see this screen over here with all the recommendations. You will see asset groups, and then you will see the label orientations to add. Simply click get started on either of those. Scroll down to the bottom. You will see the videos right here. You'll click on edit, and then you can add the videos from your computer, or you can search on YouTube and add videos from there as well. If you add them from your computer, they still have to be added to a Google or to a YouTube account. Google owns YouTube, and they'll be uploaded as unlisted, so you can still see the metrics of those videos. So make sure you are able to add up to 5 videos. Make sure you add all of them, and then don't forget to save your changes, and that should help your optimization score. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below.